I want to try to not be adversarial here, and I have been helpful in past occasions, jail bond and such, writing letters to the editor and whatnot. Anyway, there's a resolution being presented down in League City today, and they're encouraging other counties to look at similar issues concerning immigration. And it's just, it looks like it could be way out of control, and I'm really concerned, and I think we should be too. I'd like to paraphrase a few of the concerns that this person is presenting down in League City. We have a massive influx of illegal aliens. 145,000 are expected children are expected in 2015. There's going to be a huge impact on our independent school districts and the health and safety of our children. Illegal aliens are suffering from chronic diseases endemic in their countries of origin and are being released into our communities. As a side note, I was in Dallas sitting at a Walmart or a Whole Foods counter, and there was a Saudi that just showed up in America, looked like scabies on the back of his arms, and this guy never had a drink or done any dancing or anything, and I woke up the following day thinking, man, did this guy just cross our border illegally? So anyway, back to the resolution. The federal government is actively seeking more locations within Texas towns and counties to accommodate the unprecedented flow of illegal aliens. So most of these are going to be staying in Texas. I just spoke with Sheriff Smith, and our local law enforcement is being compromised because DPS officers are going to the border, so we have less law enforcement here right now. This increasing volume of illegal aliens is already bankrupting some cities and counties by overwhelming local medical, educational, law enforcement, and judicial systems. They're dangerous transnational criminal organizations, mainly located in Dallas, and they're continuing to exploit this situation to infiltrate the United States. So anyway, therefore be it resolved that all agencies of the County of Smith are instructed to refuse requests or directives by federal agencies to permit or establish any facility for the purpose of processing, housing, or detaining any illegal aliens designated as refugee or otherwise. Appeal to our state, part 2, appeal to our state legislature to urgently address the continuing influx of illegal aliens. Demand that federal government provide contiguous physical barrier along our border. That was in 2006. Sherdoff decided to defund that. I mean, it was funded and it should be there. Provide civil liability protections for landowners. We don't have a castle law on our land like we do in our houses. Abolish magnets that exacerbate the problem of rampant illegal immigration, such as tuition subsidies, welfare benefits, free health care, and also to require the state to perform a cost-benefit analysis of the illegal alien presence and report that cost to taxpayers and state agencies. Pass legislation to prohibit sanctuary cities. Demand that community and state leaders begin crisis planning immediately to address the unprecedented wave of foreign minor school-age children that will be enrolled in Texas schools this summer. And would like to encourage the Smith County to encourage other communities to join us in passing similar resolutions. So anyway, I just want to be, in the future, I want to be able to say I regret not having to say I told you so.
Thank you, Mr. Burr. No additional requests for public comment. With that, we'll stand adjourned.